Okay, hello, how are you guys? This is your boy Danny Simawere, Daniel Shukun. I'm back again with a new video. Today, the video is about reviewing my strategy. What I look for in the markets, what I check it. For me to buy, to sell, to hold, what do I look at? Which time frame do I trade? How do I hold for? How long? What type of a trader I am? So today, I just want to show you the strategy that I use. So first things first, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Because at least I'm a content creator, create some content, and this content is all about trading, forex trading. I also do indices, synthetic indices, and I just went into indices as well, whilst I'm using the XM broker. So for now, let's get back to the video for today. Today, I just want to show you my strategy, just reviewing my strategy. That's all. That's all I want for today. So I just want to show you how I buy, how I sell, how I hold, what I look for. So in the markets, I look for just three things. Just three things, that's what I look for. First one, I look at the twin candlesticks or tweezers. Twin candlesticks or tweezers. The second one, I look at the morning star or evening star. Then the third one is the 7 moving average. If there was this, if a candlestick is touching the 7 moving average, I buy or I sell. That's the kind of three things that I look at in the markets, and I'm killing the game out of it. So let me show you, and let me zoom in or zoom out. Yeah, so let's take a look at here. As you can see here, there is what we call the morning star. That's a morning star. That's a morning star. So what do I do? What do I do? I just this is what I do. I enter sell here. Because as you can see, I talk about three things in the markets. Three things, that's what I talk about. Three things, that's what I've been talking about. So on those three things, what is here? What's here is what? There is a what? Evening star 1. It's not entry number 1. 2 is touching the 7 moving average. So I will sell. As you can see what the market did. It went down. As simple as that. Then it went on to the next one. The next one is come on to here as well. As you can see, at first there was a rejection here, then it formed the morning star. What happened? The market moved up. Of course, I might get cash shaken up here. I was gonna be shaken up here. Market was gonna shake me up. But according to my plan, according to my strategy, according to how I trade, how I place my trade, how I hold my trade, this is the thing. This is my entry points. This is my entry point. Then we move on to the third one. Next one as well. As you can see, I talk about twin candlestick or tweezer candlesticks. These two are tweezer candlesticks or twin candlestick. For me, I call them twin candlestick because they are in the same shape, same tails, same shape, same height, same length, same everything, whichever way you want to put it. Here it is. Look at what the market did. It went down. It went down. That's what it is. Then we move back again here. As you can see here, let me zoom up. Here, there was a morning star. Morning star, the market moved up. So the morning star, what happened? Market moved up. And there was this one as well. At first, there was a morning star here. Market, what happened to the market? Moved up. Of course, because I was gonna put my stop loss somewhere here. This is where I was gonna put my stop loss here. That's where I was gonna put my stop loss. So that's what it is. I was gonna get shaken up here. The market was gonna shake me up, but if I could be patient enough, like I've got my stop, if I got stopped out, it's fine. The market was gonna pull up and I'm gonna make more money out of it. Then move back to again. You can see here. What's here? Here we are. Simple as that. Two twin candlesticks. What happened? The market went down. Market went down. Killed the game. Because forex trading, you don't have to complicate things. All you have to do is to master a strategy. Don't trade according to your plan, how you should trade. This is what it is. This is all. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less. You don't have to complicate things. So that's what it is, guys. Then we move on. We are somewhere here. This is the morning star. As you can see, market. What happened to the market? Market went up. So as simple as this is morning star, evening star. That's morning star or evening star. That's number one. Twin candlesticks. That's number two. Third one is the touch on the moving average. That's all. That's all. You're good to go. Kill the game. Move back again here. Where is it? This was what a retest. I was gonna take a sell because this one might be a breakout retest, then went down. Then here I was gonna get stopped out. I was gonna try to take a buy, but I was gonna have a loss here because I could see like something like what do you call this? The morning, the evening star was gonna get shaken up, and there was a little bit of a rejection here. So I was gonna what? I was gonna get out. I was gonna just move my take profit close to the what? To the entry point, and that's what it is. Just then you move back here. You see there's a nice entry point. Nice entry point. Touch on the 7 moving average. This was the evening star. Market went down. Touch on the 7 moving average. Yeah, here I was gonna get stopped out a little bit, but maybe I was gonna get out here because as you can see, this candlestick didn't have a what? This candlestick didn't have any of those things like a wick on the downside. There was a flat base on the top. That's where so whenever I see this kind of candlestick, guys, we have to get rid of them. These kind of candlesticks, they will shower the whole of your money. They will take all your profits and run back to losses. As you can see here, I think I was gonna get stopped out. Yeah, because my stop, I wasn't gonna get stopped out, but almost. But this thing of your trade was in profit, then it went all it goes back to loss. I should have that kind of a strong heart. You should know how to hold your emotions, how to control. Because guys, to be honest with you guys, because this is a weekly time frame. You might go back to daily time frame and be like, what? Should have taken a buy here and stuff. I lost this money and stuff, but that's what it is. When you're trading the weekly, that's it. When you're trading the daily, that's it. Stick to your daily. Daily candlestick close. Okay, what am I going to do? Hold trades, exit trade, enter trade. It's up to check profits, check your losses. That's all about the market. That's all that you have to do. That's all that you have to do. So it's all about it's more about discipline. More about discipline. Then you come here, I really got a nice entry point here. I was gonna get stopped out here because I was gonna take a sell somewhere here. Take a sell because of these twin candlesticks. I was gonna get stopped out, but it's fine. Then I move down, wait again. I was gonna take a sell here. Then I will recover. Then I will recover my Then I will recover my losses. So it's all about bouncing back from your losses, taking punches. That's what it's like. Trading is like boxing. It's like boxing. You take a punch. You should be strong enough to take a punch. When you take a punch, you return your punches, 3s and 4s, hooks and stuff. Because that's one of my favorite sports nowadays. I like boxing a lot. I like boxing a lot. I like boxing. So it's all about taking punches and keep on moving forward. And when the worst thing, the worst fighter to fight is someone who's more defensive. Like Mayweather is untouchable. You can't just touch him, you can't just punch him. He's so skillful, man. He's so skillful. For real, he's the best ever. So let's get back to our video. So that's the same thing as what is trading. You should be more defensive, more of defense. Always try to protect your capital, because whenever you lose your capital, you want to deposit again. So always manage your risk, so that when the entry point, or when the market comes to you, you take your trades, still have money. That's what it is. So that's what it is. That's what's gonna happen. Then here, as you can see, there was a morning star. What happened? The market moved up. So as simple as that, guys. As simple as that. As simple as that. You are good to go. You will make the markets. You will make money. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less. And you keep on doing that thing over and over again. Over and over again. As you can see here, there was a morning star here, evening star here, as you can see, and there was a touch. Of course, the market tried to move back in star, but if you are disciplined enough, like, you know what, I risk it very, very well here. This is my trading plan. This is how I trade. What else do you want? Nothing more, nothing less. Trade, you plan your trade, exit your trades, you make your money. That's all. That is all that you wanted in the markets. Nothing more, nothing less. Then you come back again here, as you can see here. Of course, I wasn't going to take this one because it was more what? It was too much of a risk. Risky was too much. The risky was too much here. The risky was too much. The risk was too much here. It was too much because I don't like taking trades. Of course, sometimes you know that the market was going to reverse and pull back. So the good thing is, if a candlestick is too low, don't take dry trade. Sometimes I make those mistakes because that's what it is, you know. But always try not to take trades which are like this. Always try not to take trades which looks like this. Why? Because when the market reverses, you might get emotional and close that trade. You might be right. As you can see here, you are right, but the risk, it might be too much because this candlestick is too low. It's too low. So you might wait for this reversal here. Wait for this reversal. After waiting for this reversal, you took a trade. You make your money. You see? Over and over again, over and over again, over and over again. This was a morning star. What happened? The market moved down. Here, there was a touch. There was a morning star here. There was a touch on the moving 7 moving average. What happened? Market moves up. So you have to do this over and over again, over and over again. And I've seen, like, with this kind of this strategy of mine, I've seen like out of 10 trades, 8 might make money. 8 even to 9, I'll make money. But the thing is to be more disciplined, more patient. As you can see, this is a weekly chart. Just think about it. Spending the whole week waiting for trades, spending the whole week holding trades. Because what usually happens is, like, from Monday to Thursday, your trade might be in a loss. That's almost the whole week. But on Friday, it shoots up like boom. Like last week, what I did, I was holding these NSDs. NSD Swedes, NSD CAD, NSD Yen, NSD Dollar. I was holding sales. And on Wednesday, what happened? I checked my charts. There was a huge reversal on the daily time frame. A huge reversal, and I was like, you know what? Let me get out. Let me take these small profits. And you know what happened on Thursday and Friday? Market started tanking down like. It was like, what did I do? Why did I do it? So those are the kind of things that you have to learn from. You know, you keep on making those mistakes. There's nothing, you keep on making. But now it's more about, did you risk it well? Because when you take those profits, are you gonna return them? Are you gonna get back up? What are you going to do? Are you gonna keep on sticking to your strategy, like, this is what it is, this is what I'm going to trade, this is what it is? Because that's how you grow. You grow by falling down and stand up and start walking again. So you don't have to say, like, fell down, what? Now I have to what? I don't wanna walk again. No ways. So guys, this was the video for today. Today I just told myself, you know what, it's been long, it's almost 2 weeks now without making a video. So I just said, you know what, let me make a video about, let me just review my trading strategy, what I look for, what I trade, how I trade and stuff. So this is what it is, guys. That's all for me. That's all. I need something which is very simple. As you can see, no trend lines, no horizontal lines, no what. All I look for is my moving average, my candlestick pattern. That's all. And that's my strategy. I'm not taking anything away from you. If you do horizontal lines, vertical lines, whatever you do, how you trigger, as long as you make money, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. At the end of the day, they do make money. At the end of the day, they do lose money. So what are you gonna do at the end of the day? Are you more disciplined? Are you more patient? Are you risking very, very well? That's all that matters. Then you trade your plan according to what? To your strategy. That's all. So thank you very much, guys. This is your boy Danny Simawere. Hope I will see you in the next video. Hope you stick around. You will stick around. Then we'll make it up to you again. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye for now. Peace.